Ago. Please, when I'm going too fast, you tell me, because I want you to get everything down within you. Now you see this gate. This gate was put here in 1998 when there was pressure and agitation in Jamaica that most of our brothers and sisters in the diaspora wanted to come back home. If you go to the Bible, you remember that a chief wanted to collect land from somebody, and he told them that for God forgive that, you give his property to another person. So when you come here, you know you are coming back to your own land, till on your own vineyard. Don't work on somebody's land. At the end, he'll give you something very small, or even drive you away. So when they said they were going to come back, he said, oh fine, I'll bring you back. But how am I bringing you back? Then he said, we celebrate Emancipation Day in Jamaica. Then they said, okay, I will also introduce Emancipation Day in Ghana. So then how are we going to celebrate it? We have to go through the history and know so many things. So many things happened though. From 1968 to 69, when we were changing over from a military to something, then those who wanted to come and help us wanted to block their tracks. They wanted to close their tracks so they wouldn't know, many of the young ones would not know the atrocities that were caused. So they stopped teaching this transatlantic slave trade and whatnot. So many people did not know much about it. So we found out that at Asin Manso was the closest place to Cape Coast, 36 miles, about 55 kilometers. A merchant could trek from that place to this place and go back with collaborator. I think when I say collaborator, you know what I mean. He will come with somebody who can speak the language and speak his own language, and then you know what will go on. Yes. So this thing tells you that when we started celebrating emancipation, the chains were broken, never to be tied up again. The chains are broken. That's why the chains are broken. When we take pictures here, we don't charge you. We don't charge you for taking pictures. Take the pictures and look at them. The chains are broken. But mentally and physically, are the chains broken? When we go there, we shall decide with ourselves. So we are going to the Slave River, and you know why we call it the Slave River. It was not coined for you to come and just look at it and go back and say the Africans are mesmerizing us. No. Let's go.